again, be mindful of all the dogs around you. There's a lot going on here. A lot going on. Alright, so just again, watch your dogs.
Good boy.
I saw it on the photos.
We're going to do a little bit of healing. Good boy. We're all done healing.
Good boy.
We're going to be doing a bit of random healing. Alright. Now obviously, the motorbike's probably the least of our concern. Alright. So we need to be watching what's going on. Now, for those with dogs that are a little bit funny, okay, you can stay to the outside a little bit, but I don't want you guys ostracised or anything like that. You guys need to be working in amongst the distraction. But obviously if your dog's having a bit of trouble with what's going on, you might give them a bit more room and sort of just dart in and out, alright? Regardless, watch your dogs. If you haven't been in a situation like this before, and you know how they're going to respond, you don't, alright? But, like our sits, the way that this works is that we need to be onto that healing. No ifs or buts. I need you to heal right now. And I need you to do it properly. And you need to make sure that you're forcing them to do it properly. You need a bit more space to do that, fine. But you need to be a bit more pushy and say, no, listen to me. Don't worry what's going on around you, trust me. And that's where your obedience comes into its own in regards to socialisation. So we're going to start off with that first, without the bike running. You can come past the bike and all that sort of stuff. And then we'll start the bike up. And
Are there any spots where it's hot?
Is there any spot? Probably the exhaust up the front. The exhaust here at the front, and maybe at the back. So they'll only touch it once usually. So. All right, let's go. Watch your dogs, nothing else. All right, and forward. So start heeling around any way you like. Don't all go one direction and don't all turn around as I say it. Watch your dogs. Watch your dogs. Keep your eyes on. Listen up, everyone. So loud, so it's very hard to talk over. So just please bear with me. All right. Just still quite a few dogs as they're walking around, able to have a few sniffs at other dogs and stuff like that. You need to be watching it. And look, this is hard. This is a challenge. You know, you're watching where you're going. It's hard enough. You need to watch your dogs, use your peripheral vision, and see where you're going. All right. So it is a challenge for you. All right. So something we do in advance all the time. So we're used to getting close and all of that sort of stuff. So for some of you, especially level 3s, this will be a really new thing. Alright, so you're going to have to be really on the ball. Alright, so don't let them sniff, don't just catch them out now. Now, to add to the noise, Vinny will start the bike up, which means some of you, where you were healing, you might still be fine to do that. Some of you might move away a little bit. See how you go, and what you are looking for, remember, whether it was with the sit or with the healing, is that, okay, they might start off a bit dodgy, but you get them back on track, you get them listening and trusting you. Alright? Let's go when you're ready. So, and forward. So go.
to get us all carbon dioxide.
All right, excellent work. That was so good. Like, just how many dogs have we got here from, level 3 to advanced 3? That is awesome, and they really did well. And yeah, some of the dogs are a bit unsure, especially when we started, did catch them by surprise and caught a few people by surprise there. But that's life, that's reality. Things happen out of the blue, and that's what you want to try to get.